Underwater, Maypen flooded following afternoon showers. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, stand still. Workers on Mandela Highway and Hagley Park Road improvement projects walk off the job. The NWA says it will not affect the timeline.
Facing questions, man accused of raping tourists faced detectives today.
Train them more. Father calls for police to get additional preparation to deal with certain crimes.
Pay up. Opposition calls for coffee farmers to get better compensation for their crop.
And in business news, it will impact. Analysts say US-China trade war to be felt in Jamaica.
There's also sports, post commentary and weather in the primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, what are your views on the protest action by workers on the legacy projects?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.